Hey, everybody. Think you don't have time to practice? Think again. This is a short, strong practice. We'll have time for an arm balance and, of course, shavasana. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. We're going to begin in ragdoll, so whenever you're ready, join me on your mat. Setting up your ragdoll, feet about hips width distance, softening your knees, coming into your forward fold. Feet at hips width is a loose guideline for stability. Right, your feet can be farther apart or closer together, but set your feet. I like to soften the knees so you're easing into it. Whatever hand-arm variation you like here. Let your head drop and take a big breath in. And a big breath out. A moment or two just to settle in before we start to flow. Feel your body, your heart, your spirit. Feel what you need. And allow yourself this time here, this practice. Let this practice meet your needs. A deep breath in. And a big breath out. Maybe a little bit of movement with your hips or your head. You can shift the weight of your body forward and back if you like. Get a sense of your foundation. A deep inhale. And a big exhale. And if you're holding your elbows, drop your hands. You can keep your feet as they are. Walk them closer together to touch, but set your feet, your foundation, and rise to stand. Come on up. Reach your hands. Bring your hands to your heart. Set your gaze here. Lower your gaze or close your eyes, and you can set an intention for your practice if that's something that resonates with you today. Together, we'll take a breath in and a breath out. On your inhale, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Hands to your mat, step back, high push up, forward, and halfway down or all the way down, low push up. A big breath in, upward dog. You can add in cobra or low cobra, back to your downward facing dog. Set your hands in your feet, set your gaze or close your eyes. So it's not a long practice. Feel the intention to be here and choose your focus. Take a big breath in, exhale, step or jump to the front, halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up, rise and reach. Fold forward, exhale, empty out. Halfway lift, inhale, high push up to low push up, exhale. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Another big inhale, exhale, walk or jump to the front, halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold, Utkatasana, chair pose. Set your feet, bend your knees, reach up, fold forward, exhale, halfway lift, inhale, Bakasana, crow pose, as promised, arm balance, hands about shoulder width. You can drop into Malasana if you prefer your squat. Squeeze your elbows in, knees above elbows. Feet are close together or touching behind you. Shift forward, start to lift up. You can lift one foot, lift both feet, keep your feet on the ground. If that works better, take a big inhale. Chaturanga. Step or jump back. Upward dog. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale, right foot steps, warrior one. Root down, rise up. Exhale. Hands to your mat. High push up to low push up. Inhale. Upward dog, exhale, downward dog, left foot, warrior one, Virabhadrasana, come on up, exhale, hands back to your mat, high push up to low push up, inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog, right foot again, warrior one, rise up, open out, warrior two, right hand high, reverse your warrior, exhale, hands to your mat, high push up to low push up, inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog, left foot, warrior one, come on up, open out, warrior two, left hand high reverse, exhale, hands to your mat, chaturanga, low push up, inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. And you can add in child's pose variations. It's a short practice, but it's your practice. Take a deep breath in here, exhale, walk or jump to the front, halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold, Utkatasana, sit down, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. High push-up to low push-up, exhale. Inhale. Upward dog, exhale. Downward dog. Right foot steps, warrior one, come on up, open out. Warrior two. Take your right hand high, reverse your warrior side angle. Parsva Konasana. Right elbow lightly on your right leg. Reach your left arm up. You can slide the right hand down towards the ground. You can extend the top arm forward. You can come into your half bind or your full bind. You can come into your body. This practice, this moment, feel what you need. Feel that you're here. And again, let this practice meet your needs. Take a deep breath in. Then a long breath out. Reach your top arm up. As you exhale, bring your left hand to the ground, spin to the ball of your left foot. Rise up for your crescent lunge. Ground through your right foot, lift off airplane, Dekasana. Sweep your hands back, palms down towards the ground. Chest lifts. Strong core. Lift through your standing leg. Flying foot a little higher, take a big breath in. Lightly drop back, crescent lunge. Bring your hands to your heart, take a big inhale. Twist to your right, left elbow toward the outside of your right leg. Just be sure you have space right to left between your feet for balance, stability. Hands can stay together or come apart. Back knee is lifted, back leg is lengthening. You can drop your left hand under your left shoulder. You can drop your left knee. Take a full breath in. And a full breath out as you create a variation that works for you as you drop into your body. You come into your strength, your power, ease, and joy. Take a really big inhale. Right hand comes down. Bring your left knee down, untuck the toes. You're setting up a kneeling lunge here. You can pad your left knee if you like. Bend your right knee. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Let your shoulders roll back, your heart lift. You might put a towel or strap between your hands to give yourself a little bit of room here. Take a big inhale. And a big exhale. On your inhale, hands sweep up, reach up, go back. As you exhale, bring your hands down, slide your right foot across. And come on into your half pigeon. So if you have movement that you want to add in, as you come into your half pigeon, you can. If the variation on your back works better, you can add that in, maybe a little lift onto the right hip or under your chest or forehead. We won't be here for too long, but allow yourself to settle in. Take a deep breath in. Then a long breath out. And what is too long anyway? We're simply right here, right now. A deep breath in. Then a long breath out. Set your hands under your shoulders. Start to lift your torso. Tuck your back toes under. Lift the left knee. Right leg goes up and back for your three-legged dog. With your right leg lifted, bend the knee. Stay here or flip your dog. Lift out of the left shoulder. If you want to take it into a full wheel, you can. A big inhale. Then a big exhale. And then come on back around to your three-legged dog. Right leg lifts. Keep your right leg lifted. Slide forward to your high push-up. Drop to your low push-up. Drop the right foot. Upward dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Step your left foot forward. Warrior one. Come up. Open out. Warrior two. Left hand high reverse. Side angle. Left elbow lightly on your left leg. Find your footing. Keep your left hand where it is or slide it down. You can extend the top arm forward. Or you can wrap it around behind your back, coming into your half bind or your full bind. If you're off somewhere in your head, it's okay. Notice it. Come on back into your body. This breath, your intention. A deep breath in. Then a long breath out. And you might have your own intention. If you think you don't set an intention when you come onto your mat, the intention to be here. Reach your top arm up. As you exhale, right hand comes down, spin to the ball of your right foot, rise up for your crescent lunge, ground through your left foot. Now airplane, Dekasana, lift off. Take your time. It's a short practice. It's a flow. But we don't have to rush. There's always time to pause and take a breath, whether on our mat or in our life.
Heart lifts a little higher. Take a deep breath in. Lightly drop back, crescent lunge. Hands to your heart, a big inhale. Twist to your left, right elbow toward the outside of your left leg. Watch out for collapsing down. Lift up here, lengthen. You can keep your hands together. You can take them apart. Long spine, back leg is engaged for support, whether you keep the knee lifted or you drop it down. Engage in being here, supporting yourself. Puts you in a better place to support others. Take one more big breath in. Left hand comes down, right knee drops lightly. Untuck the toes, and you can pad the right knee. Kneeling lunge on this side. Once more, interlacing your fingers. You might try the opposite thumb on top, so you switch all your fingers. And you can add in a different variation if you like. Bending the left knee, a little bit of a hip opener here. Heart high, shoulder soft. On your inhale, sweep your hands up, reach up and go back. As you exhale, hands to your mat, slide your left foot across to set up for your half pigeon. And you can set it up in your own way. Adding in a block as needed, a different variation. Adding this practice into your day, your life, as needed. And it's usually when we think we don't have the time that we really do need it. A long breath in, and a long breath out. Now set your hands under your shoulders, start to lift up, tuck the back toes, lift the right knee. Take that left leg up and back, three-legged dog. Bend your knee down, dog hip opener, and then you can keep going for the flip dog. You might drop your right knee for a little more stability in the three-legged dog. Coming back around to take your left leg up. Slide forward, high push-up, low push-up, leg is lifted, drop the left foot. Upward dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Take a big breath in and empty out. A deep inhale, exhale, step or jump to the front, halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, lift and reach, hands high, heart lifts, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, chaturanga, low push-up, step or jump back. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog here. Come on forward to your high push-up. Lower slowly to your mat, elbows squeezing in, knees lifted or lowered for 10, 9, 8, 7, strong core, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hover and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Come onto your back. Give your knees a gentle squeeze. Drop them over to your right for your twist. And you can set up any variation of the twist you like. Come through center. Knees over to your left. Switch your twist. Come to center. Any last poses or adjustments. And set up for shavasana. Last few moments of your practice. Allow yourself this space. Integrate your practice into your being, into your life. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Here you can bring some movement to your body. You might take a deep breath. You can take as long as you like in shavasana, but if you're ready, make your way to seated. Set your gaze, lower your gaze, or close your eyes. Together, we'll take a deep breath in, then a breath out. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together, we say, Namaste. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for practicing with me today. I'm Heather. Take your time as you leave your mat and move back into your life. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. I'll see you soon.